So, this is a request for information from Jeranism, and a general inquiry to the entire Flat Earth community. Inquiring minds want to know how star trails show a perfect circle around the southern celestial pole, and can be viewed on the same night from South America, Australia, and Africa. It has been said by Jeranism, and Rob Skiba and many others, that one does not see the same stars at the same time because all three continents, south of the equator, are not in darkness all at the same time, inviting the explanation that southern celestial pole is not a fixed location. The fact is that two can be simultaneously in the dark, watching the exact same stars at the exact same time. Recently I openly requested folks from south of the equator to send me star trail photos, and after getting a bit beat up for the crummy time of year I requested, I did get star trails from 3 friends in Australia. Here's the one from Wolfie, here's the one from Where's Wally, and here's a truly spectacular one from Round South. I specifically asked for long-duration star trails, as it would be important to see if the motion was purely radial or if there was any lateral motion at all. The results were obviously radial. And let's also not forget that on the AE map, sunlight coverage, when the sun is over the Pacific, would actually allow all 3 continents to be in the dark at the same time, making the problem deeper for Flat Earth. But since I only got star trails from one of the 3 continents, I need more data from flat earthers. To support the claims of the AE Flat Earth, there are only 4 things that can happen, but none of them 100% support the observation. Explanation 1. The stars rotate at the location for a while, then move to the next location. This would be the claim of those stating that all 3 continents are not in the dark at the same time. But again, this is disproven because it would mean that one would have observed a shift at some point. And this is also disproven because, like I said, 2 of the 3 continents can see the stars at the same time. And of course, celestial navigation by ships would have some record of a time which they need to recalibrate for that shift. So if this is fact, I need to know exactly what time of night this shift occurs, so I can orient a future experiment better. Explanation 2. The stars produce some kind of rotation while moving across the sky at the same time. But honestly, this is not supported by any of the star trail photos, because star trail photos would have to represent some kind of a zigzag or wave effect throughout the night. And of course, you also have the navigation problem again. Explanation 3. A rotating star plane or a starry dome would only produce star trail streaks along the horizon from east to west, which is also not supported by the star trail photos or navigation. Explanation 4. The personal atmospheric dome. But as I demonstrated a while back, the personal dome, when viewed from a completely irrational angle, presented by Jeranism and other flat earthers, here's what it produces. Additionally, flat earthers have said that star trails could not be produced from observation points on a rotating Earth. But I also tested that and came to the solid conclusion that from a rotating Earth is exactly how star trails look the way they do. So, these are the areas I'm going to be filming. There's some street lights over there. They're a nice little row. Those are lights on a crane. Basically what I have is I have a camera mount on my bicycle tire. The bicycle's on the ground. I have it lined up somewhat just to the left of those street lights over there. So again, an open question to Jaron or any of the other flat earthers. I would like a physical demonstration of how this works on flat earth with a personal dome or whatever. I look forward to your response. Y'all have a nice day.
Oh my god!